Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another exciting episode of the CPA Tube. Today, we're going to look at round functions from the Sec 2 exercise here in SST3. Okay, essentially, we're going to look at the round up, and round down functions. These three functions. Okay, and of course, the today and now function, and a simple multiplication. Okay, so let's start. So open up SST3 student. Okay, and save the file as gardening underscore your name. So this is my file, SST3 student, with some modifications. Alright, right over here. Okay, so I'm gonna say file save as SST3. Okay, gardening and index name. Yep. Okay. Now once the file has been saved, let's look at the next instruction, the date. B1 replace date with today's date. So in B1, replace date with today's date. We're going to use, so this is B1, we're going to use today's function. So equals to today. There you go. Now, just in case, you need to use the now function. The now function will return to us the date and time. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it there, right? So it's additional. Okay, in F1, replace a student with your name. So a student, I'm going to use this, the CPA2. It's done. Okay. Merge cells A3 to G3. So A3 to G3, merge cells. So I'm just going to go to home, merge and center, and there you go. Here, it's been merged, right? Okay. I'm just going to put this an additional yellow here for you to, take a look. Next one. Fill cells A4 to G4 with a yellow color. Alright, so A4 to G4 with yellow. Okay. Next item. In G5 is over here. Calculate the cost of the total large flower pots. The cost, yeah. So just like any other product, there's a unit price and the quantity. But in this case, there's a discount that's given, 5% discount. So the discounted price, they've already pre-calculated for you. Okay, after the 5% discount, so this is actually 95% of the price, $6. And this person actually bought 2 quantities. So what we're going to multiply is actually this cell, which is the, say, the 5.7 there, and 2. Okay, so equals to, just simply click on the cell times mathematical operator multiplication and 2. Just click. Done. Press enter. Okay, click on this cell. Look for this black cross. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna go to run it down. Okay, one more time. Once this formula has been set, we're gonna use relative referencing. Double click. Oh, so we're gonna use this 3 for the total. This is 4. Okay, so there you go. They multiplied for you. Right, for each of the cell. Escape. Right? Escape. Yep, see, now that is done. Enter a function to obtain the total cost of all the items. Total cost, I'm just going to use, you can actually go to auto sum right up here in home, sum, and select the cells. Always after the function, select the cells, even for average and max and min. Yeah, okay. Now, so this is where we're going to do the extra work, the round up, round down, and round. So in G10, round up to 1 decimal place. So they specifically say round up. So round up in G10, G11, right? G11, so round up. So all you need to do is just type round up, bracket, this number, comma 1, because of 1 decimal place. Okay, if you need a whole number, just comma 0. So 59.6 is round up. Okay, even if it's a 5 and a 0 next to it, just rounds up this next cell function to round up. So equivalently, so round down. Okay, this extra is not in the text, in the question. So I'm just gonna do a round down of this function, comma 1 decimal place, and you see it goes down to 59.5. And if I'm going to round down decimal place, comma 1, 59.5. Okay, so there you go. You've done up to J and more actually. Save your work, Control S. Alright, okay. Now let's take a look. I'm going to do a bit of extra in terms of the formatting. So if I want this to be in currency, so go to General, Home, and search for currency. Alright, discount is not this percentage. Discounted price is in currency. Okay, quantity is a number, no. Cost, just going to stop here. Okay, and this is going to be in currency too. Okay, so there you go. So please complete this tutorial as such and do add on the round up and round down functions. Save and submit. Okay, hope you have enjoyed that lesson. Alright, and do explore. Do try out the exercise at the bottom of the page 45. Right, test your answers in Excel in a separate spreadsheet and try it out. Okay, this is what you expect the answer, and check on Excel whether you're right or wrong. Okay, for example, round 1.4, we're expected to be a whole number. It's a round, right? So it's 1.4, it's going to be 1. Let's check the answer, round 0. Okay, just going to try it. Got it in. There is 1, right? Okay, so I'm correct. Yes. This one I expect it to be, maybe let's try all. Okay, round 24.4. So round, right? It has not reached 5. So I'm just gonna say 24. 1 decimal place. So it's gonna be 24.5 because it's 6. Okay, let's check. Am I correct here? 24.5. Yes, I'm correct. Okay. Okay, so thanks for watching. Okay, do try out the SST3 and hope you've learned 3 functions, round up and round down. Okay,